Hey everyone, welcome to our first full virtual day. This should be Wednesday, September 9th. Miss Anderson and I will host some office hours later on in the day. So if you have questions that this video doesn't answer, and we haven't responded via messages, so you've tried messaging us and we haven't gotten back to you, check your PowerSchool pages at the top, whereas your homepage, we will have our office hours posted up there for our weird Wednesdays, our weird virtual Wednesdays. But check there for additional information. If there's, I don't know, important information, it'll be right there. You otherwise will have two activities today. The first one, I'm going to put my PowerSchool in focus mode, is up here on PowerSchool under Wednesday, September 9th. I'm going to put you in focus mode. You are going to do the interactivity. Interactivities, remember, are in your textbook, but this is a build a cell interactivity. So today you're going to be working on that. You're going to have to access your Pearson Easy Bridge. To do that, remember, you're going to open Clever. You're going to scroll all the way down to science. Is so far because we're at the bottom. Pearson Easy Bridge, you're going to click on it. As soon as it loads, it might take a second. Remember, you don't go to the drop down, you go to that Elevate Science module link right underneath. Uh-oh. Oh. You're going to click on that, and it should fingers crossed, look like my screen as soon as it pops up here. As long as it looks like my screen, when it pops up, you are going to go right here to the Center Classes button, and you will click there. Mine looks way different, so I'm not even going to go there. But you're going to click there, and you should come up with the interactivity already there in your to-do list. You will need that interactivity, and back over here on PowerSchool, you're going to need this Build a Cell lab sheet. So as always, you're going to click on that Build a Cell lab sheet. It's going to open up, and you're going to make a copy. Okay, Google Doc, make a copy. You're going to complete that as you work through the interactivity. And then, oh no, I may not be able to get to it. Let me move myself. You have an organelle quiz. The organelle quiz is over those, I think, 10 or 11 organelles that we've been working on. It's matching. It should let you know as soon as you're done what your score is. But you're just going to click here, and it will take you right to the quiz. Start the quiz. It's worth 10 points. You're going to drop and drag. The only thing I don't like about this is that my A still stays there, though I've already answered A here. So that is not a possibility. If you want to change your answer, you click that X, and it goes away. You click OK, I'm finished. It submits it. It's a little bit different than a Google form. But that is the activities for today. Remember, if you need us, we are still here. Drop us a message. We're working here, probably even in the same room, collaborating and getting some stuff done. If it can wait and you still can't figure it out, check for office hours. The phone will be open. Zoom might be on. I'm not sure exactly what's going on yet, but check on the homepage, and we will always be here to help you out. Okay? Have a good Wednesday, and we will see you tomorrow.